Namaste. This is Bichal Damani, a business higher secondary educator from India. Creative capitalism is defined as an ethic that leverages corporate assets in intelligent ways for social good. The term was first used by Microsoft CEO Bill Gates at the 2008 World Economic Forum. Every year, more than 130 grade 11-12 business students rack their brains, tear their hair, brainstorm till they run out of ideas, learn new technologies, collaborate, team up with people who are not their friends, think with compassion, work with passion, converting a simple idea scribbled on the paper into a real working product which can bring a smile on somebody's face. The project is in a form of a competition and announced to the students, stating what are the objectives, what are they expected to do, rules and regulations of the competition, and the important dates for submission of final presentation. The students are given autonomy to choose their own teammates, set their own deadlines, choose their own social problem and product idea and technology tools. There is only one condition. The product has to be socially useful. Individual SWOT analysis helps students create balanced teams. Students brainstorm, look around their community, and perceive problems as an opportunity to innovate, a great skill to succeed in the 21st century. Most of the time, students come up with creative solutions to the problems which they see around them. A vibrating pillow with alarm was an innovative idea by a group of students who were always late to school. Students getting drenched during monsoon and experiencing extreme heat and cold in summer and winter came up with the product Scover, a scooter with a cover. Saving paper to save environment was the objective behind inklet printer which recycles the used papers by removing the ink from the papers. Chalkster, a chalk dust recycling duster, and technology trolley, a trolley containing all technological requirements, were the inventions which stemmed from the problems faced by their teachers. The idea of clapper bulb, switching the bulb on and off by clapping from a distance, was invented keeping in mind the grandparents with knee problems. Solutions for orthopedic patients, environment, security of women, kids, electricity, labor solutions, mobile apps for school. Each product is as interesting and unique as each team. The project requires lots of extended work outside four walls of the classroom. Students explore the alternatives, consult industry experts, and work in the workshops to craft, assemble, and create their products. They are looking for real solutions for real-world problems and in the process learning concepts and applying various subjects like physics, chemistry, engineering, mathematics, technology, psychology, language arts, intellectual property rights, etc. To be a successful entrepreneur, students have to learn that in order to succeed in the market, the product has to be launched well to the identified target audience. As Bill Gates has rightly pointed out, sometimes market forces fail to make an impact in developing countries not because there's no demand or even because money is lacking, but because we don't spend enough time studying the needs and requirements of that market. Launching the product to the correct target customer is very crucial for success of any business. Phase 2 of the competition requires the students to create a complete marketing plan, including newspaper and magazine advertisements, radio jingles, television advertisement, product website creation, and using social media for marketing their product. Students use a variety of technological tools like Microsoft Publisher, OneNote, Word, PowerPoint, Paint, Movie Maker, Songsmith, Skype, SkyDrive, Adobe Photoshop, Sony Vegas, Wix, etc. Phase 3 of the competition requires all the teams to present their entire product and marketing portfolio to the judges who are experts from different fields. Feedback given by the judges help teams improvise their skills. Experts, teachers, students from other countries join through Skype for evaluation. The Innovative and Marketing event was a fantastic event, mainly because it combined technology, presentation, content, and teamwork. What was also very good about the students was the desire in them to excel. The competitive spirit came across, and I'm sure Wherever they go in their lives, they're always going to remember Bijal ma'am for introducing them to the world of innovation.
So what you experienced in that innovative marketing project was what we call holistic education. And that's the type of thing that students do today. They don't sit and listen to lectures. They do. They take charge of their learning. When you give 100%, magic happens. And that's what I saw on the stage. Congratulations.
This project integrates creativity, critical thinking, communication with the core subject areas, and prepares students to be responsible entrepreneurs of the 21st century. I'm sure in the future, these students will be generating employment for many people rather than seeking employment in the world. My creative capitalists will definitely make world a better place.